So in this blank area, you can start typing whatever it is that you would like to have appear in your agreement document. You have control over the font type, whatever you want it to be. You have control over the size of it, whether it's bold. You can make it a heading. Pretty much whatever you want to be able to do with that document, you can do in here. You can also, if you have a document in like this one I have in Microsoft Word, it's an older one, I can copy the whole thing just like you normally would copy and paste. Copy it, bring it over here, and hit paste. And it fills the whole thing in for me. Now, yes, it's going to take some formatting to get that to happen. But it's the same formatting you would do without having to retype everything. Throw a bullet point in there, take out the extra spaces, you know. The nice part about this is that it's you only have to do it one time. Once you get this settled in how you like it to look and the layout and those kinds of things, then you're done. You don't have to do this again. You don't have to do this every time you want to create a contract. You only have to do this the first time. Now with images, we take care of those by going up to Insert, click on the image tag. You can also get it from right here. Click on the folder icon at the bottom here, select Upload, click on Choose a File. It'll pick something from your existing folder of images. You get a 2 megabyte limit, so you can see here this one's 1 megabyte. If it was too big or the wrong type, so if you try to upload a document, Excel file or something, it won't take it. It also won't take anything over 2 megabyte for an individual image. Close that, find it again, click Insert. There you go. You have an image. Let's put our logo in there. I think that's already in my uploads. Here it is. Change the size. And there you go. Easy enough to add images. There's a limit to the total amount of images that you can have in your folder online. To be honest, I don't actually know what that limit is at this point, but you can see that you can actually do some pretty impressive things with this as far as creating a full-blown proposal to use at the beginning of your, in front of the agreement document, and then the whole agreement document, and then at the end there's going to end up being another drop down here next to equipment that says report that'll allow you to create a full report right here at the bottom. So thanks for watching. Hope you found it helpful.